Hello, beautiful moms and mom to be. Good to have you here once again. So, today I just want to share with you how I made this cross stitch braid on my 4 years old princess. Yes, so as you can see, it was quite a struggle. I don't know why, but she was just all over the place. She couldn't. Man, this hair was not the hair itself, but my princess made it a bit stressful. Like, I don't know, maybe she's not in the mood or she's not in a good mood to make her hair today. But we just have to get the hair done. So I'll just be showing you guys how I did the cross braid, so hope you like this video. And if you're not following our page or you've not subscribed to our channel, please do so. Support us. Your subscription, your likes, your comments are very, very important. Yes, please help us to grow. Thank you very much. So here I've done one part of the cross braid, so I'm just doing the other side. You can see me adjusting the braids. My kids' hair are very they have a lot of skin on their head, so I'm just trying to stretch it out so that the hair will not be all swollen, like having a lot of skin there. So just hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah, what else do I have to say? That's all. So let me leave you now for you to just watch. Sorry I couldn't do the full video of the hair, so I'm just showing you where I did this cross braid because we started this hair very late, and as you can see, we are outdoor. We recorded this video outdoor and it was quite late, and with all the stress princess was giving, we couldn't finish on time. Before we could finish, it was already dark, so I couldn't video the rest part of the hair or the finished product. But as you can see, the twist braid is beautiful. It's coming out beautifully. Anyway, let me just explain what I did. You can see at the other side, I already did 2 braids at the side and some few, about 4 or 3 at the extreme, that is the neck side. So I just did the other side 2 braid. I just braided the other side too, just like this the other side that I've done. So the other side I've not done, I just did it same way I did this side that has been done. So that is it. Thanks for watching. Bye.